Hello guys, and today I'm going to make a fish. So easy way to make. First, we need a square paper, then fold into triangle like this. Then now I am going to cut here these lines. I'm going to cut like this. Let me show you. Don't cut here, okay? It is only a stylish to make like these lines. Don't go any more high. Plus. Now then you open, then you see how does it look like when we do with a triangle. And now need glue. Open your glue and check over here. Whoop, whoop. And you will see what happened, guys. If you watch this video, then something will happen. It's a solution. Now I bring it here like this, then stick it. Then I bring one on this one, the paper, on the paper. See, look, on the paper. Watch carefully. Look, I put on the paper. Then second, I put one. You guys could not laugh. Okay, it's like a bone you touch. He was trying to.
Is that the eye? Huh? Is that the eye?
Oh no! So I make a mistake. On here. Because I did not add it here. I will take from here and put it here. And guys, this was so hard for you the first when you were learning. It was so hard. With me, I first learned with my mom, and then I started with the first thing. I'm coming. And leave this part, okay? And that part is for the tail, okay? Now then, you take a little glue and which you have here, okay? Maybe you must have to cut here, like this one. This. Uh-oh. Just give me a little no more bigger. Yes. And with the other eyes. And you have to finish. Dun-da-da! It's finished. Bye guys.